Namaste, Sada Khush Raho Bitya. Today our topic is citizenship. Part 2nd of Indian Constitution deals with the topic citizenship. Article 5 to Article 11. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. It means that when the Constitution has been framed, what will be the procedure at the time of framing of the Constitution to adopt a citizenship. Article 5. At the commencement of this Constitution, every person who has his domicile in the territory of India and who was born in the territory of India, or B. either of those parents was born in the territory of India, or C. who has been ordinary resident in the territory of India for not less than 5 years immediately preceding such commencement, shall be a citizen of India. Rights of citizenship of certain person who have migrated to India from Pakistan. In this category, the Article 6 states that now, notwithstanding anything in Article 5, a person who has migrated to the territory of India from the territory now included in the Pakistan shall be deemed to be a citizen of India at the commencement of his constitution if A. he or either of his parents or any of his grandparents was born in India as defined in the Government of India Act 1935 as originally enacted, and B. First, in the case where such a person has so migrated before the 19th day of July 1948, he has been ordinarily resident in the territory of India since the date of his migration, or second, in the case where such person has so migrated on or after the 19th day of the July 1948, he has been registered as a citizen of India by an officer appointed in that behalf by the Government of India Dominion on an application made by him therefore to such officer before the commencement of this constitution in the form and manner prescribed by that government, provided that no person shall be so registered unless he has been resident in the territory of India for at least 6 months immediately preceding the date of his application. Rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article 7 states that notwithstanding anything in Article 5 and 6, a person who has after the day 1st of March 1947 migrated from the territory of India to the territory now included in Pakistan shall not be deemed to be a citizen of India, provided that nothing in this article shall apply to a person who, after having so migrated to the territory now included in the Pakistan, has returned to the territory of India under a permit of resettlement of permanent return issued by or under the authority of any law, and every such person shall, for the purpose of clause B of Article 6B, deemed to have migrated to the territory of India after the 19th day of July 1948. Right of citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing outside India. Article 8. Now, withstanding anything in Article 5, with any person who or either of whose parents or any of whose grandparents was born in India as defined in the Government of India Act 1935 as originally enacted, and who is ordinarily residing in any country outside India as so defined shall be deemed to be a citizen of India if he has been registered as citizen of India by the diplomatic and consular representative of India in the country where he is for the long time being residing on an application made by him. Therefore, to such diplomatic or consular representative, whether before or after the commencement of this constitution, in the form and manner prescribed by the government of the Dominion of the India and government of India. No person shall be a citizen of India by virtue of Article 5 or deemed to be a citizen of India by virtue of Article 6 and Article 7 if he has voluntarily acquired the citizenship of any foreign state. This comes under the category person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be a citizen. This come under the category of Article 9. Continuance of the rights of citizenship. Article 10 states that every person who is or he is deemed to be a citizen of India under any of the foreign provisions, foregoing provisions of this part shall subjected to the provisions of any law that may be made by Parliament continue to be such citizens. Another provisions Parliament to regulate the right to citizenship by law, which come under the Article 11. In this article, nothing in foregoing provisions of this part shall derogate from the power of Parliament to make any provision with respect to the acquisition and termination of citizenship and all other matter relating to the citizenship. In India, we have also passed a Citizenship Act in year 1955. This is all about the citizenship in India. If you face any problem, then write a comment in your comment box. Thank you.